Okay, today we are going to rant on Blue Star. I have quite a lot of things to say about Blue Star. And feel free in the comments to give me someone to rant about, because I like ranting for you guys. And this is going to be my first video that I'm going to do. Okay, so which one am I going to use? There. I'm actually going to do multiple things. But anyway, so, Blue Star, you need help. Why are you... what you did to Thistleclaw, how you treated him, yeah, I see that you don't like... You're, like, he's gonna hurt you, Snowfur. Just leave him alone. He's a bad cat. Snow... Why, Blue Star? Just why? If you guys don't know, Blue Star ran Thistleclaw out of, what's it called? StarClan. You read that in Blue Star's Prophecy. I think it's Blue Star's Prophecy. I've read almost all the books. I can't remember. Like the special edition ones. But anyway, Blue Star, I have to say one thing about you. You're a bitch. Anyway, like, I understand Bluefur, or Blue Star, Blue Paw, whatever, what's her name, is like, my family is dying all around me, and I understand that. We've all had someone die in our lives, but you don't have to take that out on Thistleclaw, you don't have to take that out on Snowfur. You basically stole White Kit. Yeah, I understand you're kind of concerned because Thistleclaw is teaching you, or not you, but White Kit, battle moves and all that, and he's power hungry. But he's not evil like Tigerclaw or any of those cats. I understand that you were really, really upset because he basically was like teaching Tigerclaw to be a jerk to anybody who didn't belong to ThunderClan, and even a jerk to anyone in ThunderClan. I understand that. But still, that's no reason to go AWOL and say he's a bad cat, because he's not a bad cat. I mean, you have to understand that Snowfur's death could have highly affected him too, and he got worse as he went to the Dark Forest. And if you notice, Blue Star, he got worse there, and you probably don't care about him being in the Dark Forest. But if he was in StarClan, he'd be like at the Dark Forest battle. Oh yeah, let's beat up these Dark Forest cats. We can do this. Yeah. And he was the same way in the Dark Forest in the battle. Even though he ran off like a sissy, but anyway, that's going to be the end for this rant. I might do a part 2 of this, but in the comments, you guys, just give me some cats to rant on my latest posts so I can keep up with it and all that. And I will definitely rant on it if I can ever get to it, because, you know, schoolwork and all that. I'm in middle school, so I have a lot of work. But I'm probably going to do stuff every day. Please subscribe and like this video. I hope you all have a good day. this will be the end for this rant. Goodbye.